looking at the current state of American performance. Chevrolet showed up to our little track test with its biggest hammer, the Corvette ZR1X, with all the go-fast trimmings. That means the full name is something like ZR1X 3LZ ZTK carbon fiber aero package. What all that gobbledygook means is that you get the most powerful car General Motors has ever sold to the public, with a track-tuned suspension setup and a Halloween costume's worth of stuck-on carbon fiber aero bits, all topped off with a gigantic wing. But the real story is that powertrain. In addition to the ZR1's 5.5-liter twin-turbo V8 that's good for 1,064 horsepower on just the rear wheels, the front wheels are powered by a single motor, bringing the total system output to 1,250 horsepower. Exactly the same as the Californian hypercar it's competing against, the alien tech Czinger 21C. You gotta feel bad for the Corvette people, as we'd be upset if we were calling our latest and greatest an American hypercar, and then an upstart California engineering firm shows up with extraterrestrial chassis technology baked into an honest-to-goodness hypercar. There is, of course, the fact that the Czinger costs 10 times as much as the ZR1X, and you most certainly do not get 10 times the performance. The wildest part is that this monster rides on the same chassis as the regular C8 Corvette. Now, let's see what it can do in the hands of a pro. Hey.
Hey, man.
Okay. Another humdinger of a car.
Yes.
On the rear.
Incredible. Yeah. Well, I've seen some of the laps of this thing. I'm excited to drive it, really, just because I've seen what it can do. It's incredible. The horsepower is just incredible. It's a whole new level of power. It's a whole new level of acceleration. It's incredible that we can actually put them on the street, Johnny.
I know. Well, I'm curious because I drove the ZR1, which is just 1,064 horsepower to the rears.
Yeah.
And didn't need any more power, but having the power on the front wheels that'll help you coming out of corner.
Yeah, sure.
Be really curious to see what that does.
Yes.
Anyways, knock 'em dead.
Me too, mate.
Yeah. Good luck. See you in a minute.
Thanks. Cheers.
As you've seen, The Corvette did pretty dang good for itself, despite weighing nearly 400 pounds more than the Czinger 21C. If you take a peek at the data, the 21C is usually a bit ahead of the Corvette, though into the first corner, the ZR1X squeaks a bit ahead of the Czinger. The end result is that Andy laid down a 1 minute 48.6 second lap time in the $255,000 Corvette, 2.22 seconds behind the $2.4 million Czinger. Tune into the full feature of all the vehicles, including road evaluations and more, right here on MotorTrend.